ever felt like this? You sleep enough at night, yet still wake up exhausted. Throughout the day, you feel drained, your focus and memory worsen, and your body often feels sore and uncomfortable. So this isn't just regular tiredness. It could be chronic fatigue syndrome, including brain and muscle fatigue. Chronic fatigue is not just being physically overworked. It is closely linked to oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, and mitochondrial dysfunction within the body. So in a simple terms, your body is experiencing internal burnout and you may not even realize it. This is where hydrogen therapy offers a gentle, natural way to restore balance. First, hydrogen is a powerful selective antioxidant that neutralizes the most damaging free radicals in the body, helping reduce cellular damage. This is especially important for protecting our brain, nervous systems, and muscles. Second, hydrogen has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce low-grade chronic inflammation and restore the immune system to its normal rhythm so that we can regain our energy level. So third, studies show hydrogen supports mitochondrial function. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of our cell. When mitochondria work less effectively, efficiently, so we feel fatigue and then experience brain fog and also lack of stamina. So hydrogen can gently help to restore these functions. So initial studies and also user feedback have shown that drinking hydrogen-rich water or inhaling hydrogen gas regularly can improve overall energy level, our focus, and also recovery in those who are suffering from chronic fatigue. Of course, hydrogen is not a stimulant. It won't give you an instant energy boost, but it works at the root level to enhance your overall metabolism and restore vitality over time. If you feel like you are living in a low power mode, okay, you can consider making hydrogen a part of your daily wellness routine. Gently but consistently, it helps to regain your energy and well-being.